for Advocacy TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
President kay Nyotap Integrated Territorial Organization, Utan Bok Dhar, ula takranting yaw youth president ka BJP, usam lamewa ke lingdo pakama, halo ka jingkano, mula permi ya ka jingtho, hak social media, bari ban syusiat ya bay iksamla ki beki ajantan mantar. Habakran na ka jingrang paiba, pelapalong na ka Nyotap Youth Council, haka apply trip na itong aja penriu, hakamat ka yung terbal tawaan berim, kawadan hakan dailat silong. Pan ajing kerja ni Kohnguh Janata Party kapa pelong jing yaki hajan termantar New Delhi. Pan persya jing lai tu jing kili examen NEET-UG ubadun bok dakhar ulong. Ngakwa ban pha ika khubur syaki Pulit ke Delhi lalagi Kohnguh yang new Kada ki Pulit ki deban Sdang Nyngkong yau.
A bad comment in Instagram by saying that to shoot the student in Delhi when they protest. I want to send the message to the Delhi police: if they obey to this donkey, the police better start with him fast. It will be better if they want to shoot the student who agitate aggressively. For who? For the future of the country. At present, you can see even one child, she's scared that her future will be snatched. By who? By those dealers, or I can say the NDA government. Let us shout and demand the resignation of the education minister as demand. Like the Kohnguh Janata Party recently, they demand the resignation of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Education Minister. Let us shout 3 times. Education Minister! Down, down! Education Minister! Down, down! Education Minister! Down, down! We demand! We demand! We demand! And from here, we, the youth, along with the citizen of Meghalaya, and we want to convey the message to all the youth of India. Let us stand united, stand as one, like brother and sister. The NDA government, they give you tear of gas. Let's return them back with real tears. With our voice, aggressive, agitate, because justice you can't silence. Never, you cannot silence. When we demand our justice, you use a draconian law against who? Against the youth, the students who carry with books, not with guns. They have no arm, but still, what we got? Tear gas, lathi, what they did? Are they terrorists? No. What the NDA government did, we will not silent, but you provoke, you will see the fire will start, will lit from the state of Meghalaya. It will reach till the parliament in Delhi. The NDA government, what they did at present is unacceptable. This is not a game. Then you can play with the life of our children, of our brother and sister. If you really care for the youth, if you really care for the student, give the resignation. Otherwise, you'll have to face the consequences, not only from the student, but from the youth of the nation. So with these few words, I would like to request all my brothers and sisters, if you can't go to Delhi, at least support morally from your heart, so that we can win and we can convey a clear message to the government that you cannot silence us with your draconian law.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.